This month was hot for events, and now all that hasn't been included in our videos we will post on our Telegram channel. Hey, my name is Alex, you're watching the Design Digest for July. Architectural studio Atelier about architecture created a house for a client and his dog that has a congenital hip joint disease. The colors, layout, furniture and decoration materials of this Belgian house were designed to satisfy the needs of the dog for medical care and a good life. On the first floor there is a common space, a kitchen, a dining room and a living room. On the second floor there is a bedroom and an entertainment area. The main space of the dog, where there are 2 bathrooms and a play area, is the basement of the house. It was designed with a soft floor, ramps and stairs, and is covered with a waterproof non-slip coating. According to authoritative studies of recent years, dogs can recognize yellow, blue and transient color segments between them in the color spectrum. Therefore, colors and lighting schemes were chosen taking into account the comfort of the dog. French-Lebanese designer Carla Baz at the Beirut Design Week presented a series of tables and lamps made of marble. For her collection Stratagems, which includes 13 pieces of furniture, Carla Baz used 15 different types of marble, one of which is semi-precious. The series of 6 tables has an oval shape, and the effect of the colored surface through which the natural stone pattern is visible is achieved by removing 2 mm of marble from the hydroabrasive machine and filling the resulting grooves with resin. The series of lamps has a brass base, and semicircular discs of marble are installed on a steel carcass, which creates the shape of a flower. London-based industrial designer Tim Rundle created a collection of 10 pieces of furniture for the Australian brand SP01. The sources of inspiration for each pieces were elements from different cultures and epochs. The collection, which includes armchairs, coffee tables and mirrors, is complex, glamorous and young, largely due to the skill of Tim Rundle to use industrial tubular steel together with jewel-toned velvet and classic marble. A team of architects and designers from Framestudio repaired a small 63 square meter house in the San Francisco Bay Area. The house was built in 1968 by the American architect Joseph Escheyric as a model for low-cost holiday housing. Framestudio tried to keep the layout of the house in its original condition. They managed to create in a small area a fully equipped kitchen, new storage space and also accommodate 6 beds. The ventilation system and wooden elements of that time were restored. Architects and designers of Studio 4 from Melbourne create an entirely white house. inside which they placed a garden, to give great importance to the landscape and open spaces. The house is divided into two wings. The private rooms of the house for sleeping, bathing, studying and reading are purposefully hidden from prying eyes. On the contrary, the public areas of the house are completely open and connected to the inner garden. In addition, a series of sliding doors provides additional sound insulation for privacy and recreation. The front entrance door gives an accent to the empty white facade, which like a canvas captures the shadow from a large oak tree in the street. Architectural studio Ruetemple created a minimalist interior for a small Moscow apartment of 40 square meters, focusing primarily on the organization of space and ergonomics. Instead of erecting walls, the architects used simply zoning techniques to get a kitchen, living room, bedroom and workspace in one open space. All storage systems are completely hidden from the eyes, building furniture from the oak board, as well as the tabletop, which performs a working and dining table. Against the white walls look organically. All information in the description. That's all. Bye!